much the home screen of the AI application. This one is very easy to use. I'm going to teach you how. So here you have a lot of templates which you can use with this application. Here, all you have to pretty much do with these templates, and all you have to do is pretty much upload an image of yourself, clear 6 clear image of yourself, and you pretty much get these results. So any one of these images you may want to replicate, whether it be this one here, whether it be this one down here, whether it be this one, you want to replicate this video here, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is select the one that you want, for example, this one here, and you'll be able to replicate. So these are pretty much examples of how it will look once you have pretty much generated or uploaded your photos. So to do that, you have to go in the profile option here, and you have to add your photos of yourself. So you have to upload a few photos of yourself, so you can pretty much use these packs, or we should say templates. So once you have uploaded a few photos of yourself, you pretty much get the result. So very easy. And as well, you have the one shot option. Tap on this option here. Same thing applies. Upload a full image of yourself, and you get these results. So here you have the baby dancing video, and if I do tap on it, it will tell me to upload an image that I want to bring to life. Pretty much something similar to this. I do recommend you doing that so you can get the best results. So you have other things which you can do as well. You have the 80s, 90s portrait, image portrait, or picture portrait, as you can see here. All you have to do is just pretty much upload the image of yourself, and you get these results. So it's very simple to use, guys. And as well, you can scroll down here, and you may want to try out this one here. Just tap on it, and you pretty much upload a clear image of yourself, and you pretty much get these results. So that's really pretty much it for the application. So it's very easy to use. At most you need to do is upload a picture of yourself and get these results. So very good application, and once you have pretty much created anything on the application, it will show in the section here, as you can see here, will show in the discover or whatever section this is. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one.